Hey everyone. Welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today, I am very excited to share with you a unboxing. This is a sponsorship video, and I had an Amazon seller reach out to me and gave me a selection of light fixtures to choose from, and I wanted to share with you this Crystop luxurious gold 3-tier round crystal chandelier. Now, this is a sturdy metal light frame in a gold finish. It's an anti-corrosion and anti-rust. It is very exquisite. It's elegant as well as eye-catching. This can be a flush mount pendant ceiling light or a modern chandelier. And again, I have it in the color gold. The dimensions are 19 by 7 inches round and 11.8 in height. It is luxurious for a living room, gorgeous for a dining room, elegant for a bedroom, and eye-catching in an entryway. Depending on your light bulb selection, you will experience different but beautiful effects due to the K9 crystals. They create beautiful rainbows and ambiance. This chandelier has exceeded my expectations. Just unboxing this chandelier, it has very detailed instructions. It is very first time user friendly, and I'm just excited.
Uh-huh. Look, hand me a napkin.
A napkin.
Yeah,
Listen.
spider.
Say you want to be in the video too.
Not today. Just as full today. Messing with the wrong one now.
All right, guys, all jokes aside, needed supplies are your drill or flathead screwdriver, your needle nose pliers, wire strippers, as well as wire electrical tape. And to make sure that you turn off all power source in your home when installing a light. All right, now we are moving along to the assembling of the frame for the chandelier. My father quickly glanced at the instructions and was able to put it together with no problems. As I said before, the instructions are very, very self-explanatory and straight to the point. All right, now that we have it assembled, we are now discussing how low I want my fixture to hang, and he will be modifying that for me by cutting the chain as well as cutting the wire so that we don't have to stuff the excess into the ceiling. Okay, now he is stripping the wires to connect the ground as well as the yellow and the white. And he is tightening up the base, and we'll be connecting the chain link to the base as well as to the fixture. And then we will be adding the lights. Continue watching. And I will be changing out the lights that I have. When I went to the store, this is what they had available in the E12 style. All right, now my daughter and I will string up the crystals with the small gold buttons, and we are working ourselves from the inside out. All right, everyone, we have the beautiful, elegant, exquisite 3-tier gold chandelier installed. I just want to say thank you so much to Christoph for sponsoring this video. I thank you to my father for showing up and showing out and installing the light. And I thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you the very next time that I upload. Bye-bye.